Arithmetic progression, exercise 2.5. The first sum, check whether the following sequences are in AP. Sequence is given, you have to check whether it is an AP or not. If the sequence is an AP, it is having a common difference. Here three terms are there, so it is T1, T2 and T3. You have to find out the common difference between two terms, two consecutive terms. That is T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2. If the common difference is same, then we say that the sequence is an AP. See this T2 minus T1, that is second term minus first term. Second term is A minus 5 minus A minus 3. When you are removing the bracket, multiply inside with the minus sign. So you get minus A plus 3. A and minus A get cancelled. Minus 5 plus 3, you get minus 2. Similarly, you have to find out T3 minus T2. T3 is A minus 7 minus A minus 5. When you are removing the bracket, multiply inside with minus sign. So you get minus A plus 5. So minus plus A and minus A get cancelled. Minus 7 plus 5, you get minus 2. In both the cases, the difference is minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Difference between two consecutive terms are equal. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. The next sum, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, etc. Here 4 terms are there. This one is T1, T2, T3 and T4. You have to find out T2 minus T1. T2 is second term minus first term. That is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Here you have to take LCM and subtract. LCM is 3 2s are 6 LCM. Then here you get cross multiplying like this. 2 minus 3. So you get minus 1 by 6. Then again T3 minus T2. That means 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Here also no common factors. So multiply 4 3s are 12. Then again multiplying like cross multiplication, you get 3 minus 4. You get minus 1 by 12. Again one more term is there. So we can find out T4 minus T3. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4. Here also no common factors. Multiplying, that is the LCM, 5 4s are 20. Then here multiply like this in cross multiplication. So you get 4 minus 5. So minus 1 by 20. Here the difference is not same. The difference between two consecutive terms are not equal. Therefore, given sequence is not an AP. Then the third question, 9, 13, 17, 21 and 25 etc. 5 terms are there. This is T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. First you find out T2 minus T1. That is 13 minus 9, you get 4. T3 minus T2. 17 minus 13, you get 4. T4 minus T3. 21 minus 17, you get 4. T5, again you get 4. Here the difference between two consecutive terms are equal. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. Then the next fourth question, Roman letter 4. Minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 4 terms are there. T2 minus T1. You get 0 minus minus 1 by 3. So, minus into minus you get plus. Plus 1 by 3. Then T3 minus T2. 1 by 3 minus 0. So, again you get 1 by 3. T4 minus T3, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 3 is a common LCM. So you get 2 minus 1, you get 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 is the common difference. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Roman letter 5. That is 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 etc. Here we have to find out the common difference, that is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 means T2 is minus 1 minus T1, that is 1 minus 1 minus this plus 1. So totally you get minus 1 minus 1. Same sign means add and put the same sign. You get minus 2. Then T3 minus T2. That means T3 plus 1 minus T2 is minus 1. So minus minus 1. So it become minus into minus plus 1. 1 plus 1 you get plus 2. T4 minus T3 is fourth term is minus 1 minus plus 1. So minus 1 you get minus 2. Here the difference is not same. Minus 2 plus 2. Here it is minus 2. So common difference is not equal. The difference between two consecutive terms are not equal. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. Okay. The next question. First term A and common difference D are given below. Find the corresponding AP. Here first term A given, common difference D is given below. See this first question. A given, D given. You have to find out the corresponding arithmetic progression. We have to write the general form. General form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. So you have to substitute these two values. So you get 5 plus 6, 5 plus 2 into 6, comma 5 plus 3 into 6, etc. When simplifying, you get 5 plus 6 is 11, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 5, 23, etc. This is the answer for the first Roman letter 1. Second Roman letter A equal to 7 and D equal to minus 5. The required AP is the same thing only. Substitute the values. You get 7. 7 minus 5. 7 plus 2 into minus 5. 7 plus 3 into minus 5, etc. So when you are simplifying, first one is 7. 7 minus 5 you get 2. Here when your first multiplication will be done. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 7. So you get minus 3. Here minus 15 plus 7. So you get minus 8, etc. That is the answer for this given question. Then Roman letter 3. A equal to 3 by 4. D equal to 1 by 2. The required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Substituting these values, you get 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2, etc. When you are simplifying, you get 3 by 4. Here 4 is the LCM, isn't it? When you are taking 4 LCM, you get 3 plus 2. You have to multiply it by 2. So numerator also multiply by 2. So here you get 2 and 2 get cancelled. Or 4, you can take 4 LCM. Here it is 3. Here you have to multiply by 2. So you get 4. Then here you take 4 LCM. So 3 here. Here you have to multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. Then simplifying you get 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4 and 9 by 4, etc. is the answer. The next question. Find first term and common difference of the arithmetic progression whose nth terms are given. Nth term is given, you have to find out first term. First term means you have to substitute n equal to 1. Common difference means you have to find out T1, T2 and find out the difference. A and D. A is the first term, D is the common difference. T1 is the first term, that is A. When you are substituting n equal to 1, you get minus 3 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 only. So minus 3 plus 2, you get minus 1. So the first term is minus 1. Then T2, when you are substituting n equal to 2, you get minus 3 plus 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So minus 3 plus 4, you get 1. Then T3, minus 3 plus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So you get plus 3. Minus 3 plus 6. So subtract and put the sign of greater number. So you get plus 3. Now you have to find out the common difference. T2 minus T1. T2 is 1 minus T1 is minus 1. So minus into minus plus. You get 1 plus 1, 2. T3 minus T2 is 3 minus 1. You get 2. So the common difference is 2. And the first term A is minus 1. That is the answer for this question. Roman letter 2, Tn is equal to 4 minus 7 into n. Here you have to find out the first term and common difference. T1 is equal to, that is first term, 4 minus 7 into 1. So you get 4 minus 7, you get minus 3. T2 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So 4 minus 14, you get minus 10. T3 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 3. 7 3s are minus 21. So 4 minus 21, you get minus 17. Now we have to find out the common difference. T2 minus T1. T2 is minus 10 minus T1 is minus 3. So minus into minus plus. So minus 10 plus 3, you get minus 7. Like that, T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 17 minus T2 is minus 10. So minus into minus plus. So you get minus 17 plus 10, you get again minus 7. So the first term A equal to minus 3 and common difference D equal to minus 7. That is the answer for Roman letter 2. Next question, find the 19th term of AP. Here you have to find out the 19th term. So for finding the 19th term, you have to find out nth term. Here A is first term minus 11. Common difference T2 minus T1. So you get minus 15 minus 11. That is minus 15 plus 11. Minus into minus plus. So you get minus 4. We know the 19th term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 19th term is A plus 19 minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of A and D. So you get minus 11 plus 19 minus 1 into D value is minus 4. So you get minus 11. 19 minus 1 is 18 into minus 4. 18 into minus 4 is minus 72. So minus 11 minus 72, you get 83. Minus 83 is the answer for this question. Then fifth question, which term of AP 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is minus 54? Which term means you have to find out the n value, nth term. We can take it as the last term is minus 54 and to find out what number it is. To find n, here in this AP, A is equal to 16 and a difference 6 minus, that is 11 minus 16. 11 minus 16, you get minus 5 and the last term is minus 54. For finding n, we use the formula L minus A by D plus 1. L is the last term, A is the first term and D is the common difference. So you get minus 54 minus 16 divided by D value is minus 5. Here both the numbers are minus sign, so you have to add and put the same sign. So you get 70 by minus 5. Minus and minus get cancelled and after simplification you get 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So minus 54 is 15th term. Okay. Then find the middle terms of an AP. 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. 183. Middle term means first you have to find out the n, number of terms you have to find out. Then only we can find out the middle one. If it is even, number of terms is even means at the middle two numbers will be coming. and the number of term is odd, only one single middle value will come. Okay, children, even number coming. Number of terms are even means at the middle 2 terms will be there. If number of terms is odd, middle term is only one single value will come. Here a equal to 9. First term is 9 and the last term is 183. Common difference, that is 15 minus 9, you get 6. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Substituting the values 183 minus 9 by 6 plus 1. When you are subtracting, you get 174 by 6 plus 1. When you cancel this one and adding 1. Here 2 6 are 12, isn't it? 12. Then 5 balance 54. So 9 6 are 54. So you get 29. 29 plus 1 30. So number of terms 30 means it is even. So middle terms 2 terms will be coming. Middle term means 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is 15th term. And you have to add one more. 30 by 2 plus 1, that is 15. 15th term and the 16th terms are the middle term. So you have to find out 15th term and the 16th term. 15th term is T15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 14D. A is 9 and D is 6. When substituting and multiplying 14 into 6, you get 84. Adding, you get 93. 16th term is D16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into D. Substituting the value for A and D, you get 9 plus 15 into 6. 15 into 6 is 90. When adding, you get 99. So 15th and 16th terms are the middle terms. The answer is 93 and 99. The next question, if n times 9th term is equal to 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24th term is 0. So first of all, you have to take the given terms. 9 times 9th term is equal to 15 times 15th term. What do you want to prove? 6 times 24th term, that is 6 into T24, that is equal to 0. We want to prove that. Okay, so first of all, you take the given terms, that is 9 into T9. 9 times 9th term is 15 times 15th term. We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so you have to apply that. So 9 into T9 means A plus 9 minus 1, that is 8 into D. 15 into 15th term, that is A plus 15 minus 1, that is 14 into D. Multiply inside with a 9, you get 9a plus 72d equal to 15a plus 210d. Take everything on left hand side. So you get 15 is greater number. So take 9a to the right side. So 15a minus 9a plus 210d minus 72d, that is equal to 0. 15 minus 9, that is 6a. 210 minus 72, you get 138d equal to 0. Here take 6 outside, you get a plus 23d equal to 0. A plus 23d is our 24th term. 6 into 24th term. 24th term means we can write like this, isn't it? A plus 24 minus 1 into d. So 24 minus 1 means it is 23d. So we come to the answer 6 times 24th term is 0. Okay, complete this much problems, children. The remaining we will do it in the next video.